Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. 15th August, Indian Independence Day is around the corner. And so I have come up with this easy DIY nail art idea for all my beginner friends who would love to rock their nails in Independence Day colors. So let's begin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are missing out. I post easy DIY nail art ideas every week twice. So make sure to subscribe and also click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. For this nail art design, I'm going to be creating a side French first, and then I will be using the Independence Day colors to jazz it up and to create the design. As always, start by applying a good layer of base coat to protect your nails. Base coat dry off completely and apply a thin layer of this milky nail polish. If you don't have stained nails, you can always skip this step. Then I will start off by creating the side French tips using the nail polish brush itself. I have a full video in which I explain 5 different ways which you can use to create the French tips right at home without the use of any nail art tools. You can watch this video by clicking the link above, or I'll also leave the link of this video in the description box. So I start from one side of the nail, and using this single stroke I drag my nail polish brush gently in a diagonal motion to create this side French tip. For this design, it does not matter if you do not get a very clean edge of the French tip, because we are anyway going to cover that line with design. Now wait for it to dry off completely, and while it was drying, I used this time to clean my edges and make sure it looks nice and neat. Now using a toothpick, draw a couple of dots in orange and green alternatively just on the edge of the French tip, like so. Now use the toothpick to drag it from the middle of each of these dots as if you are creating a line but not touching the surface of the nail. And voila, a beautiful pattern is created by this dragging method. Isn't that so simple and easy? No tools needed, and it is really quick to make. I'm sure you're going to love it. Please do make sure to share this nail art design with your friends so you can all enjoy the Independence Day in full spirit. And finally, don't forget to clean your edges and apply a good quality top coat to make sure your manicure lasts for a longer time and it looks shinier. Do let me know in the comment section below how you are planning to celebrate this Independence Day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Please click on this circle to subscribe to my channel and these boxes if you wish to check out my other easy DIY nail art ideas.